Are you looking for local SEO packages? Well, our local SEO packages focus on relevant citation building, effective on-page optimization including local schema implementation, natural link building, method-based solutions and Google Map pack inclusion. Ideal for businesses with actual physical locations and want to build their presence locally. Month 1 will be the setup phase, which will involve a 30-minute intake call. It will also involve a site audit, which will be extensive and will be able to detect and prioritize all issues that can prevent performance and activities that help achieve goals. We'll focus on local optimization setup. Our experts start by creating your Google My Business profile and strengthen your online presence through listing creations. We'll compile all the information you need in an executive report. From month 2 onwards, we'll do all that we've done in month 1, plus we'll build high quality backlinks and we'll build high quality content to get you ranking high on Google. Check out our digital marketing agency promo, which is a limited time only free online business report to help you get more customers, clients and sales. The real price is $149.99. In human terms, this customized report will find all the problems on your website that are stopping you from increasing and maximizing the amount of customers, clients and sales that your business deserves to be getting. So we'll find all of your online business problems and offer you the solutions. After that, it's up to you with what you do with them. All you have to do is fill in your name, email address and website and you'll get your report. We're here to help, so check out our blog or our services or contact us if you have any digital marketing needs or SEO services that you need implementing.